Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Wow, that was quite a strong rejection here yesterday from this ascending trend line that you can see here. That also gives you then the trend line that we really need to break above to make a bullish move happen. Yeah, it moved up in fantastic ways here from the target area that I had originally defined. We then moved up roughly 10%. Yeah, it's always if you're trading anyway, you will probably do it to move up your stop loss. Yeah, so that would have been nice because you could have ended then your trade in profit had you entered down here in my green target area. We had a strong rejection from up there. Yeah, it looked okay until the Nasdaq opened yesterday. There's two possibilities now how we can count this. So it doesn't change anything, of course, of the bigger picture here. Nothing at all. Yeah, so the plan is still higher at the moment. We can give it the benefit of the doubt. As I said, we can currently assume the low was in here at 40.2 cents, as long as we stay above that level. That's pretty much as it is, because we invalidated a few bearish patterns, and for now we can assume higher prices. Now there's a few things how we can count this. Okay, and by the way, oh no, I'll get to that. So there's a few ways we can count this. So obviously we have this wave one here. That's of course put onto the chart. That doesn't change. First way to count it is as A, B, C. Yeah, as I already showed you yesterday, this is the first way of counting this. And then obviously we would be in a wave 3 to the upside. Target for that would be around 69 to 70 cents. But also in a wave 3, you get subwaves, and we can count this as a first impulse up. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this would then be a wave 1 of the wave 3, and this here would be a wave 2 of the wave 3. And then the next wave would be a wave 3 of the wave 3. Best evidence for that would though be a move above 53.7 cents. So that is the breakout level here that we need to get above, ideally even above that ascending trend line. Yeah. So that's what has to happen next in the imminent breakout scenario. Should this be another 1, 2, and the wave 3 will happen next. Yeah. Alternatively, we have to assume that the wave 2 wasn't in yet, because we did not get far enough into my target range. I mean, we came into it, but we only touched it and moved away from it. You sometimes see them get into this once more, even deeper. So how would we count that? We would then have to count this, yes, as a wave A. The wave B was then, however, here, and this was just a smaller A, B, C. The wave B would be here, and the wave C is currently unfolding. That would be basically the same wave count now as for Bitcoin. Would make sense from that point of view as well. So, you know, maybe this is actually primary expectation. Yeah, I think we'll make this primary expectation, that we first will come down into the target area a bit deeper, based on Bitcoin's movement. Yeah, I just made the Bitcoin video as well. It's basically the same wave count. We can also look at the subwaves here, because we cannot count 5 waves as complete. In a wave C, you would normally assume 5 waves as complete. And due to the impulsive nature of the sell-off as well. So we can just put those count on the chart. My view is that this was here 1, 2, and then we have another subwave 1, 2, 3. So basically we are now in the subwaves of a wave 3. Then there'll be a 4 up and a 5 down. So we need to wait for those 5 waves to be completed. I think we could see then eventually this target range and maybe even lower to be seen by the price. So I think the price comes a bit lower. That target area is sitting between 45.7 still and 47.5. Okay, so that's where we're waiting for. Yeah, so this was an opportunity to go long, and it worked out for everybody who did, with a 10% increase. However, it's looking like, yeah, we did not get above that wave 1, obviously, that we reversed now, and we are now in this wave 2. And within the wave 2, we are in a wave 3. That would explain the strong nature of the sell-off currently. The wave 3 is oftentimes the strongest wave. And yeah, I think we have to assume we get into that price target area for the wave 2. Once more, be aware there is this descending trend line here, so it could very well be we retest that from above once more, which we did not do yet, and then move up higher from here in a wave 3 to the 69-cent level. That is still the target or that has to be the target in a bullish breakout scenario. Okay, that's my view about ADA. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.